Hello, Indiegogo. We're making a movie, and we need your help to do it. This movie was written by television actor and screenwriter Michael Cutt, and is based on the book written by America Matters Media host Eddie Floyd. The name? Final Breath. Final Breath follows the story of Eddie, the owner of a wild Mustang sanctuary. Eddie has operated the sanctuary for as long as he can remember, but it becomes more difficult when his beloved wife Sherry is diagnosed with Alzheimer's. Eddie, for the first time in his life, is forced to rely on his family for help as he learns to balance his passion for protecting the wild Mustangs and taking care of his deteriorating wife. This film not only shines a strong light on the struggles of Alzheimer's, but also the impact of hunting on the wild Mustang population in northern Nevada and California. For this reason, we'll be donating 35% of the proceeds of this film to the actual horses sanctuary, Wainema Ranch, where the movie is based and will be filmed. Join us as we pursue this endeavor by giving what you can and sharing with your friends. Also, if you look below, you'll find a number of different perks you can enjoy by donating, from keychains to shot glasses all the way up to joining us on set for an up-close and personal behind-the-scenes look at what it takes to make a movie. Tell us what you think in the comments section. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.